Thank you for your interest in car care coaches and our soon-to-be launched online car detailing courses. We'd like to take a moment and provide you with a brief overview. This will include course layout, expectations and desired outcome once you've successfully completed the course material. Our course structure is based on the coaching principle of progression. This includes a standard layout for all of our online courses. As a student, you will begin with an initial introduction. This sets the tone for progression expectations and includes a brief explanation of the car detailing tasks covered in the course, why it's beneficial and the desired outcome. Each car detailing task section includes a step-by-step breakdown from start to finish. This structure is crucial to helping you develop a repetitive task habit. Lastly, we will recommend tools and products that will help you be successful in completing these specific car detailing tasks on your own. Our Coaching Insights section will serve to share past experiences, do's and don'ts all related to the specific car detailing task covered in your course section. Another aspect of this section has to do with managing expectations. More specifically, how long each task should take to complete and the desired outcome. Our course recap section will help reinforce the mechanics of the detailing tasks. We will also highlight any tricky and/or hard aspects of the course material. Finally, we will make note of products and tools that will help you to complete the course material on your own. This will also include the next steps for further progression. All of our courses come with a certificate of completion. This is awarded once you've passed a short multiple choice quiz at the end of the course material. Don't worry if you're having trouble passing. You will have the opportunity to retake the quiz if you're not successful until you pass.